You might be wondering, what happened once you've purchased one of our e-course? What's your role in the process, and how do we work? In today's video, we'll show you our work process to develop modern and interactive e-course, and what does it mean for you. So step 1. Once the contract has been signed, the process begins. We'll start with a kickoff meeting where we'll talk more about your needs, expectation, your learners, and so on. In parallel to this meeting, you will send us all the material you want to be transformed into a course. If you don't have a defined content yet and you need our help to create it, don't worry, we can help with that too. Also, we'll need to have access to the system and data you want us to explain and demo in the course. Let me show you an example of a document that has been given to you by one of our customers. As you can see, this is a large PowerPoint presentation that used to constitute the training material that was handed over to employees to learn. Once we've got all the material and we've got a better idea of what you want, we'll start drafting the course structure. That means, based on your content, we'll determine how the information should be organized. For example, should it be in various courses, in which chapter, how many lessons. Let me show you an example of a course structure we did for the Power presentation I showed you earlier. As you can see, here we can see the structure of the course that we've done, and we can see the lessons, and under every lesson, sub-lessons of the topics we're gonna talk about during the course. We will set up another quick Skype call to make sure that you're happy with the way we structure the course. And from there, we'll start building the course. In addition to that, we'll also have our in-house designer developing your corporate identity so that the course design is consistent with your brand. In the meantime, our e-learning developer will build all of your system training and interactive graphics. Very early on, we will be able to show you the first pilot lesson so that you can make sure that we are heading in the right direction. This is the perfect moment to recalibrate if needed before waiting for all the course to be finished. And based on your feedback after the pilot lesson revision, the course will be implemented. Let me show you the course we've built for the client I've shown you the training earlier. As you can see, the course is divided per chapter with lessons underneath. This course structure is based on the course outline we've shown you earlier. Let me now show you how those lessons look like. Here, you might recognize the graphic from the PowerPoint. Let me show you the original graphic from the PowerPoint. That's the original graphic. As you can see from the eCourse, we've made it much more design, and we also added more content and depth to make it more clear and understandable for new learners. Learners can click on the icon and get more insight on each part of the graphic. We've also added an audio clip from one of the managers that give even more context and information on the meaning of the graphic. At the end of the course, we've added a proper test that learners need to take in order to pass. If you have an LMS system, it will be able to track the success rate and make sure that your employees complete the course and pass the test. So that's how your e-courses will look like. A fun, user-friendly, and easy-to-maintain e-course. After we deliver your first version, you will be able to communicate to us all the edits, comments, requests you might have about the course. We'll make the change as soon as possible and get back to you with the updated version. You'll be able to do other revision of the course. Once you're satisfied with the end result, we'll have a final meeting to discuss how did the process went for you, what can we improve, we'll share feedback, and we'll hand over to you the source file in web format and SCORM, ready to be uploaded to your LMS system or website. If you need help implementing the course into your LMS environment, we can also help you with that. Usually the whole process takes 3 weeks from the moment you've delivered us the course material. On top of the main meeting, we can set up additional meetings to update you on the process and make sure that we're on the right track. We hope that this video helped you understand a bit more our work process. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us and we can have a discussion. Thank you for watching.